Now from child pose into tabletop, tuck your toes, lift your knees off the ground, pushing your hips towards the ceiling into downward dog. Walk your feet to the front, lengthen your back here halfway. Inhale, come all the way up, hands to the side. Now we'll do a few rounds of this, working on our body. Inhale, lifting your hands up over your head. Exhale, lean forward from your waist down. You may bend your knees if you need to. Fold forward. Inhale, look forward, lengthen your back. Palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Inhale, come forward into plank. Body in a straight line, heels pointing towards the ceiling. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, walk your feet to the front. Lengthen your back. Come all the way up and release. So we'll do a few rounds of this. Core engaged at all times. Inhale, up again. Exhale, fold forward from your waist all the way down. If you can't fold forward with your legs straight, give a micro bend to your knee. Bring your forehead down to your knees. Look forward, palms on the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. From here, inhale, come forward into plank. Feet together, heels pointing towards the ceiling. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, walk forward. Lengthen your back, come all the way up and exhale. Few more rounds, let's go. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway, lengthen your back. Bring your palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Bring your feet together. Inhale, into plank. Exhale, into downward dog. Walk your feet to the front. Lengthen your back. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, release. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look forward, come up halfway. Exhale, bring your palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Feet together, inhale, come forward into plank. Core engage. Look down to the mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, push yourself back into downward dog. Very good. Now from here, walk your feet forward. Inhale, halfway, come all the way up. Again, inhale, up. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the side. Come up halfway, palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Inhale, come forward into plank. Feet together, core engage. Make sure your body's in a straight line. Push your hips down. Look between your palms down to the mat. Exhale, push your hips back into downward dog. Walk forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Lengthen your back, come all the way up. And relax. Few more rounds of this. Inhale, up. Exhale, fold forward. Come up halfway, lengthen your back. Exhale, palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Feet together. Inhale, come forward into plank. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, very good, 2, 1. Exhale into downward dog. Walk your feet to the front. Lengthen your back. Inhale, come all the way up and release. This is a very good way to warm your body up and also get a workout out of it. Inhale, up again. Exhale, lean forward, always coming down from your waist instead of rounding your back. Hands to the side. Inhale, come up halfway. If your hands touch the mat, that's also good, or you can have them resting just above your knees. Now bring your palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Bring your feet together. Come forward into plank. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale back to downward dog. Inhale, walk forward. Come up halfway, all the way up, and release to the side. Let's go again. Inhale up. Exhale, fall forward, head to knee. Come up halfway, lift your chest, keep your spine straight, look forward. Exhale, bring your palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Feet together, inhale, come forward into plank. We're almost there, last 3 rounds. Exhale, back to downward dog. Walk forward. Lengthen your back. Inhale all the way up. And release. Last 3. Inhale up. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, look forward. Halfway. Lengthen your back. Exhale, palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Feet together. Inhale into plank. Let's stay here for 3 seconds. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Exhale back into downward dog. Walk your feet forward. Inhale halfway, come all the way up and release. Almost there. Inhale up. Exhale, fall forward. Look to the front. Come halfway, lengthen your back here. Exhale, palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Inhale, come forward into plank. Body in a straight line. Push your hips down. Heels pointing towards the ceiling for 3, 2, 1. Exhale into downward dog. Walk your feet forward. Come up halfway. Inhale all the way up and release. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, fold forward. Look forward, lengthen your back. Bring your palms down to the mat. Walk your feet back into downward dog. Inhale into plank, feet together. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale into downward dog, feet hip distance apart. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5. Palms pressing down into the mat. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling. Now if your heels don't touch the ground, you may bend your knees here. Give it a micro bend. Engage your core. Tuck your belly in. Shoulder blades away from your ears. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your knees down. Sit on your heels. Normalize your breathing here, catch your breath in child pose.